Who are you?
My name's Cole.
You real Cole. If that, then what? Ipso facto, you are real.
Jennifer, you need to tell me about the army of the 12 monkeys.
They're not real.
Yes.
They can't be.
They are. They always have been. What did you do for them?
No, wrong. Not did, was done to me.
You said you killed people.
At Margaret?
Tell me what happened there.
No, senor. No way. It's all locked up in here.
That's what those doctors out there think, right? The monkeys, they're all in your head. I know they're not. I know they're real.
Did you know I used to work at Margaret? Knew the boss, easy gig to get. Kind of risky, though. I was always... These voices started when I was 13. Right when I got breasts. Daddy needed me. Lots of work to do. Lots of pills later, I was fixed. Mostly. But then they came. They wanted to know. We weren't gonna stop until they found out where it was.
What was?
Daddy's great and shadowy laboratory. Filled with evening stars. He called it the night room. It's an off-site lab. With his teeny tiny little secret locked inside.
Virus.
I knew where it was. But I wouldn't say. I saw the blood. The voices came back screaming. And one by one, something broke inside me. I couldn't speak. And then I saw someone running away. The only other one of us who could find it. The one that got away. The man. He's angry.
Your father? Did he ever tell you about the army of the 12 monkeys? Hey! Okay, I guess I need. Well, that's who we are. And your father is important to us. I don't want to hurt his daughter. But can you tell me, Jennifer, where I could find the night room?
The man. He smelled of lavender and jasmine. And that was my turn. But he said, not today. Those men died because of me.
No, they didn't. You didn't kill them.
It's hard to say. Memories are funny. Daddy thought I did. Maybe I killed him too.
No, that was someone else.
Been here ever since. 773 days locked in a cell, apologizing to ghosts. You don't know what that's like.
You'd be surprised. Jennifer, listen to me. The army of the 12 monkeys are gonna steal the virus from that lab. They're gonna use it to kill everyone. You need to tell me where it is so I can find it.
Buried. Deeper than Daddy.
She's in here. How the hell did you manage? Look, get her out of here. Get him dressed. He's being moved.
Hey, it's the wrong room.
Where are you taking me?
You're being transferred back to county. Can't have you attacking other patients.
There you are.